A candle that never burns out and will leave your home scented for a long time. Learn how to make a candle that never burns out. In today's tip, you'll learn how to make this candle that will not only decorate your room, but also leave it scented. Firstly, you'll need a lemon cut into slices. They can't be too thin or too thick. Do as I'm doing here. We'll also need a small glass jar. You know the kind you keep for canning corn and peas? Well, that's what we'll need. We're going to add a layer of coarse salt, about a finger of coarse salt. There's no right size. Now we'll place the lemons we've cut. We'll place them just right and leave a space for the water. As I said, there's no right amount. It will depend on the container you're going to make the candle in, but you're going to put in a quantity of water that's 1 finger short of reaching the top of the jar. Because we're going to add more things. The other ingredient we're going to use is cloves. It's very nice to make your home smell good and bring out the lemon flavor. If you like, you can add cinnamon. But as I'm making it with ingredients I already had at home, I didn't add cinnamon. And now I'm going to add a little lemon essence. It will enhance the lemon scent even more and make your house smell great. You can buy this scented essence in markets, drugstores, health food shops or even online. Now add a little cooking oil, remembering not to fill it to the brim so as not to spill it. Now let's get those disposable cups. I think everyone has leftovers from birthdays or celebrations at home, and with the help of a pair of scissors, we'll cut these up. We'll only need the bottom of the cup, leaving about a finger on the side. Now we're going to need an awl. Here my awl is already hot. Now we're going to make a hole in the center just to put the candle wick through. We'll use a string, or if you have a candle, you can melt it down or open it and remove the string. I'm going to use a candle I had at home. It doesn't have to be very big, about 5 centimeters or so. This string is passed through the hole we've just made in the bottom of the glass. Once through, we'll leave 1 centimeter inside. Then we'll fold it like this. It's normal for the string to be a little stiffer because of the candle we've just removed. Now we'll take the bottom of this glass and put it in our container. Once we've done that, our candle is ready and we can now put it in any room in your house. You can even use it for a special dinner. Your boyfriend is sure to love it. Now all you have to do is switch it on and it will last for hours and hours with a delicious smell. Look how beautiful our candle turned out. And it smells marvelous. Very fragrant. Tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Thank you for making it this far. That's a sign that you like our tips and our website. We're full of recipes and tips like this. I recommend you make it at home and, of course, don't forget to let us know how it turned out. And leave us a rating from 0 to 10 for this super tip in the comments. I'd love to know. I hope you enjoyed this video. God bless you and your whole family.